What's going on, sneaker gang, sneaker family, man? You got your boy Quana Dine coming at y'all with another sneaker forensic video, man. Yes, your boy running back-to-back videos. No, I'm not wearing the same thing, man. I'm actually doing more than one video in the same day. But I have something that I've been holding off and putting to the side, man, because I've been after those Jordan Blue, those Jordan University ones. So I kind of been putting these shoes off to the side, man. But I'm gonna finally go ahead and do this review on them, man. I'm sorry. I've been putting them off to the side. I threw you to the side like trash. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this little mini review of the shoes, man. Before we get into the video, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell to stay up to date with your boy videos. If you have done so already, I highly appreciate you. But anyway, without further ado, man, let's get into the shoes. So Jordan 3 box, nothing special about it, you feel me? It's great. I do like the fact that they usually they make the box the same color as the shoes, you know what I'm saying, which is cool. So if you had these sitting somewhere, man, you don't know what shoe it is, it's kind of cool that they change the color because you'll be able to tell. That's one thing I do like. A lot of the Jordan 3 boxes come like that with that color, man. You do know they have that tone. You know what a Jordan 3 box looks like. But anyway, man, enough of that, man. Let's get a look at the shoes, man. I'm pretty sure these reviews have been all over the line already. Do want to let y'all know, man, I did go ahead and purchase these off GOAT. So I did purchase these off GOAT. I actually didn't go after them when they released. I was too busy, so I didn't go after them. You know what I'm saying? GOAT, got your GOAT here, GOAT sticker, and then a GOAT verification card right here. So, you know, definitely a GOAT purchase. I know I said in previous videos I wouldn't bother with GOAT no more, man, but I'd rather bother with GOAT than StockX, no cap. Not even gonna lie. I mean, I'm just not a major fan of StockX, man. It take me months to get shoes with StockX, and that's just ridiculous. Like literally months, close to almost 2 months to get a pair of shoes from StockX before. And I was like, nah, I'm good. So we got those cool gray 3s, man. Cool gray 3s. Definitely a dope shoe. I think they're dope. Material wise, they're okay. Not bad. You know what I'm saying? Not the greatest, but it's a Jordan 3. I mean, what more can you ask for? It's not that popular of a shoe, in my opinion. I just don't think it's that popular of a shoe. As far as the Jordan 3, not even my favorite silhouette. It's probably one of my least favorite silhouettes because of the look of it. It just looks so plain, you know what I'm saying? Like it's literally a plain shoe. Like it's a plain shoe. You got a logo in the back of the shoe, and that's probably one of the reasons why I don't like these shoes too much. However, it's a cool gray colorway, man, and I love all the cool gray colorways. So if they dropped a cool gray colorway in every release and every silhouette, which they probably did, I definitely have it, man. And I've had a couple cool gray silhouettes, man, but I would definitely collect them all. You feel me? All silhouettes in cool gray. These did drop before in the early 2000s, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on it. I do know they did release before. I didn't have a pair, but they decent, man. They're pretty dope, man. So you have that all gray colorway on the upper. I'm pretty sure this is it's like a nubuck leather material. Is it like a nubuck, or am I tripping? Feels like a nubuck. It literally feels like a nubuck. But it's like a tough leather. I'm not sure. But you do got your elephant print on the front here, on the front part of that sneaker, man. So that's one of the things that I do find dope about the 3s is the print that they usually put on the sneaker. I do love that, man. So that is one of the things I like about the sneaker. As far as the orange color, so it's like a citrus orange color, University Gold. I say laser orange. I don't like that. I wish they would have just kept it that white and gray. That makes it a lot cleaner. The yellow and that orange kind of knocks it off, man. That yellow, orange, whatever they want to call it, it knocks it off for me, man. And then they got that bright ass you know, red Jumpman sitting right in the middle of the sneaker, like right on the tongue. I mean, you know, to each his own, but I'm not a fan of that. You feel me? I'm not a fan of that. Let me get y'all a close-up of the shoe. Pretty sure y'all done seen these already, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving a late review on them. Like I said, I've been after those University Blues, so that's one of the reasons why I kind of like threw these off to the side. But definitely a dope shoe. Definitely a dope sneaker, man. I like the sneaker. It's not bad. Not too bad. You know what I'm saying? So I'm glad to have them in my collection, man. I feel like I feel like gray goes with a lot. And it's a neutral color, you know what I'm saying? So definitely dope. Is this shoe? This must be from Korea, like a Korea Nike factory. Cause I'm not sure. Oh, I'm pretty sure that doesn't come on all the pairs. I mean, it doesn't even have it in English. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty cool to know my shoe came from. It's like came from shit across the world. It's pretty cool.
Boy, if you don't.
I mean, all the shoes come from, yeah, all the shoes come from across the world, right? What am I talking about? White insole, man. So that insole is white. That insole is white. Like, this is not a bad shoe. Really not a bad shoe. But like I said, I'm glad I had these in my collection, man. Wasn't a full-on, you know, into detail review. Just my thoughts on the shoe and what I think about the shoe. I rate these. I'll probably give these a 6 out of 10. I'll probably give these a 6 out of 10. Some reason why I give them 6 out of 10 because of that orange. And then, I mean, the material. You know, it looked good on the picture, but when you get them in hand, I don't know. I don't know. To me, in my opinion, I don't think the material is all that. You feel me? They pretty soft, you know, but I don't know. I feel like this type of material, this type of leather, it always fades. I'm not a fan of that. But enough of my BS. I'm going ahead and end this video. Sneaker gang, sneaker family, your boy tired, man. As I say and as I always say, it's more of an expense to hate. It don't cost a thing to show love, sneaker family. I love y'all from the top of my heart to the bottom of my soul. Quick gang, and to the next one, we up out of here, man. Peace.